Experiencing a black screen on your Rogers TV? You're not alone. This issue often stems from problems with CEC, HDMI connections, or power saving settings. Rogers has released firmware updates in late 2024 and early 2025 to address HDMI related issues, including an HDMI stability mode in the Ignite app settings. The black screen problem typically arises from communication issues between your Rogers TV receiver and your TV via HDMI. Key factors include CEC, which allows devices to control each other, but can cause issues if misconfigured. Enable CEC on both devices, but disable if issues arise. HDMI handshake is the initial negotiation for audio-video signals. Failures occur due to incompatible resolutions or cable faults. Always use high-quality HDMI 2.0 Plus cables and try different cables ports. Sleep and power save modes on both TVs and receivers can trigger premature blackouts. Adjust TV settings to never sleep or extend timers, and disable Eco mode on Rogers boxes. If updating doesn't resolve the black screen issue, try these troubleshooting steps. First, reset your HDMI connections by unplugging them for 30 seconds. In the Rogers Ignite app, look for and enable the HDMI stability mode. If you're using a Samsung TV with a Rogers Ignite box, try disabling CEC on the TV and enabling HDMI ARC in Rogers settings. Overheating can also cause black screens, so ensure adequate ventilation for your Rogers box and TV. A faulty HDMI splitter could also be the root cause. Replace it with a powered one to reduce incidents. Rogers is trending towards software-based diagnostics, with AI tools predicting and preventing black screens. Rogers plans to transition to cloud-based streaming by 2026, potentially minimizing HDMI reliance and related black screen issues. Experts recommend prioritizing firmware updates and checking CEC settings for quick fixes. If problems persist, consider upgrading to HDMI 2.1 compatible devices for long-term stability.